how to delete all archived stories on Instagram. In order to do that, click on these three lines right here, and then from in there, click on this archive option. Now in here, you can see your stories archive. So on some cases, you should be able to see your post archive as well. If you see your post archive, just click on the stories archive right here in order to see this. Now from in here, we have all of the stories that we have made so far. You can click on these three dots right here, and you can click on the settings. So as you can see, the save story to archive has been turned on. So if you want this turned off, it will not save your stories that you have made so on your archive, so you can head over and then turn this off. Another option that you can do is you can create highlights using this archive right here. However, ultimately, if you want to delete one thing right here, what you can do is just head over and click on that. Click on this more right here and click on delete right here and delete this. So you just need to do this one by one if you want to delete all archive stories as well. So that's how you delete archive stories on Instagram. Hope we helped.